Magandang gabi po. Ngayon po ay araw ng Sabado, April 26, 2025. At narito na po ang resulta ng ating 9 p.m. Visas o Lotto results today. At para po sa draw natin ngayon ay ang Grand Lotto 655, ang Lotto 642, ang 6D Lotto, ang 3D Lotto, at ang 2D Lotto. And for 6D Lotto, 2, 7, 9, 4, 2, and 4 in exact order. And for Lotto 642, April 26, 2025, araw po ng Sabado, sa winning combination of 4, 30, 40, 3, 18, and 38. Sa jackpot price na 15,200,401 pesos and 80 centavos in any order. At para po sa update ng Lotto winners, ipinopost ko po siya under our comment section. And for Grand Lotto 655, sa winning combination of 47, 6, 36, 11, 53, and 42. Sa jackpot price na 246,834,914 pesos and 80 centavos in any order. And for 3D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw, April 26, 2025, 1, 9, and 8 in exact order. And for 2D Lotto, 9 p.m. draw, 28 and 2 in exact order. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.